And when you take all professional athletes together, all sports, the average lifespan of a professional athlete is 62. There has never been a professional athlete ever lived to be 100. Well, why is that? Because sweat is not water. Sweat is a soup that contains all the nutrients in your blood. So let's say they're getting 65 to 72 nutrients in their food, and they're sweating out 65 to 72 nutrients. And you're drinking water. What's happening to your nutritional reserves? That's kind of like replacing a quart of oil every time your engine burns a quart of oil with a quart of water. You start getting breakdown your ACL ligament. You start getting a breakdown of your cartilage. You start getting muscle cramps. You start getting loose teeth, high blood pressure, diabetes. Start gaining some weight. Oh, now you got fibromyalgia. Now you got lupus. Now you have a heart attack, which you may or may not. 19 years old, was chased by every professional women's basketball team in the world. She was 6'5", could do the Air Jordan thing. She chose to say, look, I'm going to take 2 years of academics first. I'm going to go to Florida State. Make a long story short, halfway through her freshman year, she drops dead during a game at age 19 from a ruptured aneurysm, which was caused by deficiency of a single mineral copper. She's drinking Gatorade. Go look and try and find any copper in Gatorade. There's no copper in Gatorade. There's no selenium in Gatorade.